Welcome! In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to mute a group on WhatsApp using the desktop app. This feature is perfect for managing notifications from busy group chats without leaving them. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your chats. Once the app is open, you'll see a list of all your conversations on the left-hand side. Next, locate the group chat you want to mute. Scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you've found the group, hover your mouse over it. Now, right-click on the group chat. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the option labeled Mute. Clicking this will bring up a pop-up window with different time periods for muting notifications. Here's where you can customize how long you'd like to mute the group. You'll have three options: 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Choose the duration that best suits your needs by clicking on it. Finally, confirm your selection. Once you've chosen the mute period, the group's notifications will be silenced for that time frame. You'll still receive messages in the group, but there won't be any sound or pop-up alerts to distract you. And that's it. You've successfully muted a WhatsApp group on your PC. If you ever want to unmute it, simply follow these steps and select Unmute instead. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you in the next one.